You know what's funny? The moment you stop trying to be chosen is the exact moment everyone starts chasing you. It's not a coincidence. It's psychology. It's power. Listen, detachment isn't about being cold. It's about being in control, like calm, unbothered, effortlessly magnetic. Because when you don't need anything, people feel it. They start asking, why isn't she trying harder? And that's when you realize you already won. Hey, it's Clara, and welcome back to Intemporelle, where we talk about that quiet kind of power, the kind that doesn't shout, doesn't chase, doesn't perform. It just exists, that soft, feminine, graceful dominance that feels like mystery and peace at the same time. Today, we're talking about detachment, the one thing most people completely misunderstand. And if you stay till the end, I promise, you'll never look at it the same way again. Let's make one thing clear. Detachment isn't, I don't care. It's, I care, but I'm not going to lose myself over it. It's the difference between reacting and observing, between why didn't he text me back and, well, maybe he's not the one. See the energy shift? Exactly, because when you're detached, you start living from your core, not your chaos. You stop chasing validation and you start radiating peace. That's why some women just walk into a room and everyone turns their head. They don't even say a word. It's like, what is that energy? It's detachment. Quiet confidence. It's the rarest perfume on earth. Everyone wants a whiff. Okay, listen. Human Psychology 101. People crave uncertainty. When something feels unpredictable, it becomes exciting. That's literally how dopamine works. So, when you're not reacting, not oversharing, not rushing, you become that uncertainty. You become the mystery. The brain goes, wait, I can't fully read her. And boom, attraction. It's not manipulation, it's magnetism, because you're not performing anymore. You're present, calm, and that's intoxicating. Let's talk examples. Carolyn Bessette Kennedy. The woman was detachment in human form. Her silence was power. Her posture said, I don't need to be the loudest to be remembered. Or Angelina Jolie. Unbothered, controlled, never chasing the narrative. She is the narrative. Or Alexa Demi. That feline energy. You don't know her, but you feel her. She doesn't post every move. She's not accessible. And that's exactly why she's unforgettable. All these women share one thing: emotional discipline. They know when to stay quiet. They know not everything needs to be explained. They know presence is more seductive than performance. That's the real soft power. Here's the paradox no one tells you. When you stop chasing, things start chasing you. You stop begging for attention, and people start trying to earn yours. You stop explaining yourself, and suddenly, everyone's trying to understand you, because power shifts the second you stop trying to control outcomes. And listen, I get it. It's not easy. We're all addicted to feedback, likes, texts, replies. We want to feel seen. But the real flex is staying soft and self-contained. It's saying, yeah, I want that. But if it's not mine, I'm good. That calm confidence, that's emotional wealth. You ever notice how being attached makes you anxious? Like, suddenly you're checking your phone every 5 seconds, refreshing, overthinking, trying to decode emojis like it's the Da Vinci Code. That's not love, that's lack. Attachment says, if I don't have it, I'm not complete. Detachment says, if it's right, it'll stay. If not, I'll still be okay. And that's the most attractive energy ever, because you're not operating from fear anymore. You're operating from fullness. And nothing's sexier than a woman who's full of her own peace. You know how quiet luxury is all about subtlety? Tailored pieces, no logos, perfect fit, calm confidence. That's detachment, but emotionally. You don't need to scream, I'm valuable. You embody it. You don't need to post every moment or defend yourself online. You let time and results speak for you. Because when you move with detachment, you move with taste. You choose silence over chaos, peace over noise, and people can feel that. It's spiritual elegance. And here's where it gets deep. Detachment isn't just emotional, it's spiritual. Sometimes it's just another word for faith. Like, I don't need to chase because I trust God's timing. What's meant for me won't need convincing. You start to realize that letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means giving space for things to align. When you really trust, you move different. You walk like peace. You talk like purpose. And people feel it. If this is hitting you right now, just pause, breathe, and comment, I needed this. Seriously. Because this space, Intemporelle, is literally built for that. For women who want peace, depth, elegance, and actual transformation. So if you're new, hit subscribe, stay, you belong here. And hey, before I forget, I opened only 15 spots inside the private journal. It's where I share everything I can't post here. The real stories, the mindset, all of it. The link's pinned in the comments, but it usually sells out fast, so go check it. Oh, and subscribe to my Substack too. I'm there almost every day. It's like our quiet little corner of the internet. Okay, let's talk practice. How do you actually live detached? 1. You observe. You don't overreact. Silence is your best PR. Let people wonder. Let things unfold. 2. You detach from outcomes. You do your best and release the rest. Energy flows where trust lives. 3. You protect your peace like jewelry. Stop letting everyone touch it. 4. You make peace with waiting. You don't rush divine timing. You prepare for it. And honestly, when you're detached, you age slower. You glow. Because you're not constantly in cortisol mode. You're just in your power. One day, you'll realize that every unanswered text, every delay, every rejection wasn't punishment. It was redirection. That you didn't become colder, you became clearer. You didn't lose them, you found yourself. And that's what detachment really is, the art of staying soft in a world that wants to harden you. So stop trying to be chosen. Start choosing peace. If you felt this, stay, subscribe, comment, join the girls who get it. And if you want to live this, not just listen, my glow up planner and private journal are down below. They're literally designed to help you build this energy from mindset to lifestyle, because detachment isn't about walking away from everything. It's about walking with yourself, finally, fully, and gracefully. See you in the next one.